everyone, this is All Things Nadine. So on this video I am showing you guys how to do your little print on a hat. So this is a Praise Printing Press logo, or the business name that we put on the hats. So first, another thing, we're not using a hat press. So just heat protector gloves and a Teflon foam, just to give it some cushion when you're pressing. So pretty much the main goal is, the image is Siser easySubli. So it was printed. I printed it a few days ago, and I use the mask to transfer it, just because I wanted to. The plan was to keep it to do it another day, so I just cut it and kept it. So now at this time I'll lint roll the hat, just to make sure there's no lint on it, to get a better press. And I use my mini Cricut press. That's what I use. So you can do images on a hat without having to actually use a hat press. So right now we're taking off the mask that was on the design, for just taking that off. Well, as you can see, it's hard to take it off with gloves on. The heat resistant gloves you need it, because it gets hot when you're holding onto the hat trying to press the design onto it. And for Siser easySubli, the recommended temperature is, I think, 311 for 15 minutes. So I just use the Cricut press, the mini press, and I think the maximum temperature on that one is 310. And so it works. It gets the image on there. So this hat is for my husband, so it's for personal use. Just trying to see different ways I can make some designs without, going for a hat press right away. So now just putting the design, make sure it's centered as much as possible. And the mask also has like the sticky side, which helps to keep the design in place for the press. And also I don't use any kind of protector sheet between, so I just hold the heat press onto the design, and I count like 15 seconds, 1,000, count 15 seconds. Not because I'm not able to cover the whole design, so I do little sections at a time. And as you can see, the color gets more vibrant as you press, and it kind of helps guide you to make sure you press everywhere. So 15 seconds. And the only challenge with this is you're doing it multiple times, versus if you had your hat press, you could press it one time and you're done. So as you can see, I know the image is a little far, or I ended up not putting on the gloves anymore. So heat press, no hat press needed, using a mini Cricut machine, which I also use for little projects like shoes and anything that is kind of small, that the temperature works, or is as high as I need the temperature to be. If it's on the mini Cricut, I will use the Cricut machine, versus turning on a whole heat press or hat press and all. So just trying different things. If you want to do a hat design and you don't have a hat press, depending on if it's HTV, well, even better, you can use your mini Cricut press to do that. If it's some designs that are a little bit intricate and you want to use your Siser easySubli, you can do that too, using the Cricut press. And pretty much that's it. So just do that. I press, make sure everything is down. And then I kind of peel off the cover I smooth it out, and make sure it's smooth. You know, that's it. Peel the design, the little mask off of it. As you can see, it's really beautiful looking on a blue hat. Looks pretty vibrant. Yep, and that is the design for you. And also, when you see that, see, look at the design on a close-up view. That's it. Perfect. Well, it looks perfect. It looks really good. And I also made a little Mickey Mouse hat for my son. That one I wasn't able to take a video of the whole process, but it was same exact process using a Siser easySubli, you know, and pressing it little sections at a time, 15 seconds, and it also came out really beautiful. So I have an image of the Mickey Mouse hat, a red hat that I made for my son, and you guys can see that the red hat right there looks pretty beautiful. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Remember to